Alright, the recent heavy rains partially destroyed the swale. That's fine. I'm going to drag some of those sticks back up here. Put on some big, more rocks. This area also got a little messed up. This dirt patch is still fine, but our secondary line is gone. So that's what this episode will be about, restoring, or next Sundays for you. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to actually do, though, because from your point of view, I mentioned it in an upcoming episode that I recorded before this, but my leg hurts. Hazards of being older. But whatever. I'll show you my progress on the swale when I'm done for this episode. Thanks for listening. Wait, no. I'm only supposed to say that at the end. Whatever. Alright, we've removed a pretty good sized patch of rocks, and here's an interesting bonus. We started hitting dirt when cleaning up these rocks. It used to be when I would move these around, I'd just get more rocks. Not even be able to see any dirt, just get small gravel. But no, that's actual dirt. Still extremely rocky, but it's better than nothing. But my leg hurts too much to keep going for right now, so I'm going to take a small break. Maybe not a small one, and then work on the swale episode. Thanks for listening.